Hello everybody, it's Celeste here and welcome to A Crafter's Story. I decided that I'd like to do a little collage on the front page and then this little pocket of the little book that we made in our last video. And so I'm going to make a collage sticker and then use this to basically just paste onto that first page. So let's get started. I have some wax paper here, and on the waxy side I am going to put, let's see if I need a bit more. Oh no, that makes horrible. Okay, I thought maybe I could get a bit more light. I'm going to take some double-sided tape and just put that on the waxy side of our wax paper, freezer paper, and that is going to become the sticky side of our sticker. See if I can line this up properly. Yeah, here we go. Oh, fold over. No fold over. Okay. All right, so double-sided tape is down, and let's get some of those bubbles out. Now this is the more sort of papery side. So I've got a collection of little torn pieces of scrap paper here, and I'm just going to put down a bunch of glue and probably more. You know me, glue, glue, glue. Lots of glue. Okay, so I've got some glue down here, and let's see if I can get a little extra light. Oh, much better. So I'm just, just put down wherever, whatever. And overlapping is 100% okay. No worries about overlapping, and I'm really not thinking about it. This is what collage for me is about, is no thinking, just doing. Doing good, thinking bad. Well, thinking's not always bad, but in this case, just going to go put a bunch of paper down. Let's see if we can get something different. Like that. No rhyme or reason. Just put it down. There we go. A little more dotty business going on. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, I have an arrow. Put down an arrow. What else do I have? I've got words. Let's put down some words down the middle here. Got a spot. Let's feel where there's stickiness there. Maybe a little. Okay, I think. Whoops. Let's get that down. I think I've got a little spot there. Let me find something to put down on my little spot. What haven't I used? Let's use another key. Oh, no, that don't want to cover the arrow, which I'm already doing. Nope, don't want to cover the arrow. I like the arrow. So let's put something else down. Oh, sorry, you guys. I've got this on my finger. I'm going to get it off. There we go. Let's get some glue down over everything, because that way I can make sure that everything is down. Now I'm doing it with glue, but you could do this with a liquid glue or a matte medium, like a gel medium, and that would probably hold it down just as well, if not better, than this excessive gluing that I'm doing. But now that I've got all that glue down, I can add maybe just the odd piece, like maybe there. I think I had a little hole here. Let's see. Oh, I've got a little sort of circular piece. Let's see if I can get that there. All right, that's probably enough, right? We've got everything covered. Oh, no, I don't have that piece covered. What can I do? Maybe some more dots. More dots and little piece, just there. Okay, so I will get my heat gun out and get this all dry, and then we'll start decorating that little page. But I love this. It looks really good. My glue is dry. I just got my heat gun out and got the to speed it up a little bit. Now this little page is roughly 3 inches by 4 inches, and so I'm going to cut my collage sticker out and straighten up this one edge to make the first straight edge of the collage. There we go. Oh, on the paper, Celeste. Alright, in there and get that piece off. There you go. Alright, so now I need another straight edge. So let's go in. Where's my about there? Okay, get another straight edge. Oh, I'm not even straight at the top. Oh my gosh. Okay. Like that. That piece off. Alright, so now we can do our 3 by 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. The double-sided tape is a little slippery. It's all plasticky and it's making it hard to keep this in place without putting quite a bit of pressure down. So sorry if it's taking a minute longer than it should, just to cut a 3 by 4 piece of paper or a sticker. Okay, but we're getting there. So there is my 4-inch part of it is done. Stop moving, oh my goodness. Okie dokes. Oh gosh. Sorry guys, it's really slipping and sliding on me quite a bit. I'm trying as hard as I can to be as accurate as I can, but I think I'm just going to maybe have to... Gosh. Why? You know what? It's just gonna, that's fine. Whatever. It's going to be this size, and we're going to work with it, and it's going to work. I've decided. Alright, so here we go. This is yeah, smaller than I wanted it to be, but that's fine. It's going to be fine. I'm going to put it in just there. So let's get our sticky part off the back. So it's quite a thick sticker because you've got the stickiness from the double-sided tape. You have the wax paper and then the collage pieces over the top. Let me get it as close to the edges. Well, let's come back a little bit, just like that, and down it goes. Easy peasy sticker, right? So I can put something down here and across the bottom to make sure that all the white is covered if I want to. It's not a train smash. I guess I could have made it a little bit bigger, but it's not a biggie. Okay, so I think I do have something that I want to put on the top. So I'll put that little sticker over there on the top. I'm working up like that. Let's put our sticker, cover some of that white space at the top, like that. Alright, and then I've got some emptiness down here, and I thought, well, I had another just a little phrase that I found. When I found this phrase, I found this one. So I'm going to put that one, tuck it in here just a little bit, like that, and hopefully I'm somewhat in the middle. There we go. And then this little collage piece is going to be our vase for some flowers. So I've aged the edges already. I'm just going to put it down. I just tore this roughly and it happened to look to me like the shape of a long thin vase. And it kind of ties in with the piece that we've already got over here. Alright, so I think let's close up the glue. Get rid of this weapon. Get rid of this thing. Alright. And where is my pen? Okay. So let me just hope that I didn't get too much. Oh, gotta get this. I hope I didn't get too much glue on this side so that I can still, yeah, I think we're good. I think it's fine. We can just draw in some leafy greens like that, maybe like this. This has become a collage and a doodle video all at the same time. And we're not doing anything fancy, guys, nothing fancy at all. Just some fun collage and doodling, just cause we can. And maybe I should get out my gold. Let's get that activated and give some of these leaves a gold inside. And I'm covering some of the black, and that's fine. Enough is sticking out for you to see the outline. I think the gold just adds a little bit of interest and a little bit of dimension to these little leaves. And it's all very, very quick and simple, but pretty. I think it's pretty. Okay, there we go. Now we've got a couple of pieces left, and I could always use it at the bottom of another page, or you know what I could do is I could cut maybe some leaves out of this one. Let's see, that would be nice. Let us see if that'll work. Yes, there, I've got a leafy sticker. Let's cut this one out as well. So out of that one little piece of collage sticker, I got all of this. Now, oh, I wonder if that'll look nice. Should we do that? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let me get this sticker backing off. Oh my gracious, it is sticking like its life depends on it. Okay, so I've got that one down. Oh, this came off. That's okay. Should we just, I'm not going to bother putting it back. That's fine. Should I? No, I should put it back, right? Otherwise it spoils it. It's like, oh, now I don't know how it goes back. How does it go back? No, okay, never mind. Never mind. Let's get this one down. Gosh, this double-sided tape is really committed. Alright, let's get this one down. There we go. Nice. Wow, I didn't expect to get 2 leaves as well, but that's cool. Nice. Very, very happy about that. Let's see if I can. There's quite a bit of glue on here, so I might have to come in with a paint pen. Yeah, I think so. I think a paint pen is going to work better. And let's just commit to the gold since we're working with the gold anyway. And like that. There we go. Yeah, I think maybe putting the glue all over the top instead of a matte medium. I was working too quickly. I think the matte medium would be easier if you're going to doodle over the page. It's not enjoying, even the paint pen is not really enjoying the glue surface. It's working, but it's just taking a little bit longer. Alright, almost there. I'm quite pleased with how this turned out. I was only expecting to get a sticker. I got some bonus leaves. Ha! Nice. Alright, there we go. I think I'll leave it at that. I'll have to let that dry a bit, maybe come back and put a little extra in, or maybe another color. But all things said and done, I think it turned out beautifully. So now the first part of our little mini journal is, or the first 2 pages rather, is is covered. And then I've got this little card that I found in my stash. I think I'm just going to slip that in there. There we go. All done. Thank you so much for joining me. I had fun doing this. I surprised myself with a little bit of extra sticker fodder, so that was fun. And I hope that you can try it and go and use up some of your scraps. We'll see you next time. Bye.